how to flirt with her without being creepy. Today we're diving into a topic that's equal parts exciting and terrifying: flirting. Yes, flirting can be fun, playful, and smooth, or it can be awkward, creepy, and a total deal breaker. The difference? Knowing the rules, reading cues, and owning confidence without overstepping. By the end of this video, you will know how to flirt without being creepy, and maybe even leave her smiling or thinking about you later. Why men get it wrong. Most men think flirting is equal to lines, jokes, and bold moves. Reality: women pick up on subtle energy, respect, and confidence much more than any cheesy one-liner. Common mistakes: over-texting, flooding her with messages before she's even comfortable. 2. Over-complimenting. You're perfect, you're gorgeous, you're amazing in the first minute feels forced. 3. Ignoring cues. If she's pulling back, continuing aggressively equal to creepy. Confidence is sexy, desperation is not. Flirting is energy, not lines. Flirting isn't just about what you say. It is how you carry yourself, your vibe, and how you make her feel. Smile genuinely. Maintain playful eye contact. Mirror her energy subtly. Respect personal space. For example, she laughs at a joke. Don't overdo it. Just acknowledge and playfully tease back. Energy plus timing equals to flirt magic. Words alone won't cut it. The golden rules of flirting. 1. Start small. Light jokes, playful teasing, simple compliments. Don't overwhelm her with intensity. For example, I see you have a great taste in coffee. Clearly someone with style. Read her cues. Body language matters. Leaning in, laughing, eye contact equals to positive. Arms crossed, avoid eye contact equal to pause. 3. Confidence without arrogance. Speak clearly, don't overthink. Humor plus calmness equals to approachable confidence. Respect boundaries. No touching without consent. Avoid personal comments too early. Number 5. Timing matters. Early jokes are okay. Deep compliments later. Flirting is gradual escalation, not instant intensity. Think of flirting like cooking. Spice gradually. Taste constantly. Don't burn the dish. Types of flirting. Flirting isn't one size fits all. Here's how to approach different types. Playful flirting. Light teasing. Joking. Making her smile. 2. Verbal flirting. Clever, witty conversations that keeps her engaged. 3. Non-verbal flirting. Eye contact, posture, subtle smiles, gesture. 4. Text flirting. Short, funny, teasing messages that spark curiosity. Combine them but don't overdo it. Subtlety wins every time. Humor as a flirting tool. Humor is your secret weapon. Makes her laugh. Positive association. Shows confidence. She feels comfortable. Creates playful tension. Builds attraction. For example, playful exaggeration. Wow, your coffee order is complicated. I like a challenge. Remember, laughter equals emotional connection. Avoid forced jokes. Natural humor wins. Common mistakes to avoid: being too aggressive, rushing touch or intimacy, over-texting, endless messages kill curiosity, compliment overload, too many compliments too soon, feel fake. 4. Ignoring rejection cues. She's not into it, respect it. Flirting should be subtle, respectful, playful, not pushy or creepy. Practical flirting examples: in person, playful teasing. You're really taking your time choosing that book, making me curious. 2. Eye contact. Brief, confidence glances, then look away. 3. Texting. Light teasing, humor, curiosity. So who wins at Mario Kart in your house? 4. Compliments. Specific and subtle. That jacket really suits you. Notice the pattern. Light, playful, respectful, and confident. That's the winning combo. Building flirting confidence. Practice small interactions. Coffee shop, friend gatherings. Observe reactions. Learn what works naturally. Stay calm under rejection. She's not interested? No big deal. Move on confidently. Keep humor handy. Balance charm and playfulness. Flirting isn't a talent you're born with. It is a skill you practice, refine, and master. Be consistent. Playful energy plus empathy over time builds attraction. Respect boundaries and signals at all stages. Use humor and charm strategically. Focus on connection first, escalation second. Do this right, and flirting becomes effortless. She will enjoy the interaction. You will enjoy confidence, and nobody feels awkward. To recap, gentlemen, start small, light, playful. 2. Read her cues. Eye contact, laughter, body language. 3. Confidence without arrogance. 4. Respect boundaries. 5. Timing and subtle escalation matter. Master these and you will flirt smoothly, naturally, and without creeping her out. Confidence plus playfulness plus respect equal to ultimate flirting superpower. Flirt wisely, laugh often, and leave her smiling, curious, and wanting more. If you haven't subscribed for my YouTube membership, make sure you do because you're missing out. I have dedicated videos for members only. You have some perks and personal conversation among members and myself. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the next one. Bye.